This is a 2019 blacked out Ford F-250 Super Pro Lariat. Black leather interior, power driver's seat, memory seating on the driver's side, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Home link for your garage door, upfitter switches, trailer brake controls, heated and cooled seats, electronic climate control, navigation, satellite radio, power moonroof. Let's look at the rear seat, running boards, black aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, spray and bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 6.2 liter gas engine. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.